Good morning, everyone. It's PT, and it is time to rise and shine. The Lord is with us this day. Come on, let's follow Him. You know, one of the things we're reminded of is that love isn't irritable. I'm just sitting with that. Some of us get, I don't know about you, but we get irritated when things aren't going our way. I do. I mean, they weren't going the way we were hoping. We had a plan. We had a vision of how something was supposed to play out, and maybe it was a day that we envisioned or a certain situation that we were looking forward to, and then it doesn't go the way we were hoping, or the person doesn't respond the way we thought they were going to respond, and then that irritates us, and because it's different than what we anticipated, and so our joy spills out like a bag of coffee beans that have been spilled on the floor. It's just like our joy's gone. You know, have you ever had that happen? Where it just lost what it was meant to be, and now we find ourselves so upset, so disturbed, so, angry in our own way, irritated, because it didn't happen the way we were hoping. Lord, remind us to be a flexible, adaptable people. I know it's not easy, but by your Spirit at work in us, we can be more loving. Yeah, we can. Let's do that in Jesus' name.